Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today we will talk about Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra. So let's get started. First of all, we will talk about this phone body. This phone body is 224 gram premium frame, glass front and back, dust and water resistant. Display 6.78 inch LTPO AMOLED, 144 Hz refresh rate. 144 Hz refresh. You can get a good refresh rate from this phone. This phone display resolution is 2400 pixel. Aspect ratio 20:9. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm. Memory 256GB with 12GB RAM, 512 16GB RAM. OS Android 14. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.9 aperture. Telephoto 32 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. Ultra wide angle 13 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Front camera is 32 megapixel with 2.5 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 30 fps, HD with 30 fps, and front camera can capture HD with 30 fps. Battery is 5500 mAh battery with 65 watt charging system. Connectivity 5G dual SIM, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, 3.5mm jack, fingerprint reader, and good sound system. So that was the video for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.